Hey everyone, it's Ignite Art, and today we're going to be drawing Grogu. And I'm so excited to be opening an Etsy shop in 2021 where you can get these cards and so much more. Okay, so let's get started. You want to draw two pairs of pointy brackets side by side. Make sure to leave a bit of gap in between the two sets of brackets. Draw a squiggly in that gap. Now make a straight line right under and connect the two ends in a curve, just like that. That is Baby Yoda's smile. Now right beside, you want to draw two dots. Connect the dot and the end of the bracket. Now make two more dots on the top and connect them to the end of the brackets too. Perfect! That's Grogu's eyes. Now make a line inside the eye, close to the bottom. Now draw a circle on the top part of the inside of the eye. Now color some parts of the eyes black, but make sure not to color the whole eye black. Now right below the smile, you want to draw a curve, and right above the nose, you want to draw another curve. Now make a dot close to the left eye, and another dot close to the right eye. I'm extending the dot into a V shape. Now I'm connecting that V shape to the top and back down to the other V. Now the other end of the V I'm going to extend and extend to the other side too in a curve. Make sure it's not a straight line. Now I'm going to make another V below the two eyes, connecting the V into the curve, and now the other V back up into a curve, the other side too, and now we're just going to connect, just like that. Now make a big curve beside the right side of the eye and then left side of the eye as well. And make a semicircle on both sides. And big lines extending to the ends of the ears. Now for Baby Yoda's neck, we're going to draw a squiggly on the left and a squiggly on the right. And some lines so we can show that it's a clothing. And then we're going to connect in a straight line. And we're going to extend it outwards, and we're going to extend the other line outwards too, and we're going to bring it down, and the other side, and then connect them in a straight line. You can use a ruler here so that your line ends up straight, more straighter than mine. Now inside the rectangle, we're going to make another small rectangle. And inside that rectangle, we're going to make 3 squares. Now we're going to make a bracket on the outside of the rectangle and another bracket on the other side of the rectangle. We're going to connect it to Baby Yoda's ear. Make sure it's a bit curved. We're going to extend that curve on top of Baby Yoda's head and back to the other side. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Okay, now we're going to make another curve. It's like an outline to the other curve that we made. Make sure not to touch the other line that's on top. Now you see that square in the middle? We're going to follow along the bottom and make a mark here. We're going to connect that mark to the end of the square bracket in a curved line. I'm just going to add some details. A line here, and maybe a line inside the rectangle too.